Are you looking for the best kitchen cart? In this video we will look at some of the best kitchen cart on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Amazon Basics Kitchen Rolling Microwave Cart. Amazon Basics Kitchen Rolling Microwave Cart on Wheels Storage Rack is a unique and functional kitchen cart that will surely blow you away. Keep things smooth and easy going in the kitchen with the help of this amazing product. Amazon Basics Kitchen Rolling Microwave Cart on Wheels Storage Rack is made of chrome-plated steel with a removable wood top about 1.5 inches thick. It also has 2 chrome shelves that each has a 50-pound capacity, which is worth commending because of its functionality. You could also adjust the shelf height in 1-inch increments, and since it is easy to assemble, you would not need any tools in putting it together. This product also has 4 chrome hooks that offer hanging tool storage and 4 smooth rolling wheels. The product has great sturdiness, maneuverability, and storage capacity that is perfect for your cooking needs. Granite is incredibly durable and almost impervious to heat. You can set pans straight from the stove on top of it, so it's an optimal surface for bakers, in particular. Often, and understandably, this level of quality comes at a premium price. But, with the lean-on kitchen cart, you can buck that trend and benefit from valuable extra storage too. Solid pine offers a contemporary look that goes well with a variety of kitchen decor, as do the chrome-plated fittings. This product arrived with damage and has some cheap coating on it. Pros: great sturdiness, maneuverability, great storage capacity. Cons: damaged product delivered. Number 2, Home Styles Liberty Kitchen Cart. This kitchen cart from Home Styles features the benefits found in a superbly made, attractively styled, multi-function kitchen cart. The 3 storage drawers are deep and able to hold a variety of contents, and the spacious cupboard boasts a pair of height-adjustable shelves as well as doors that open wide to allow easy access. The top of this traditional kitchen cart contains durable rubber wood which, despite the name, is a hardwood similar in character to maple. A full-length drop leaf that doubles the work surface or can be used as a convenient breakfast bar. Useful details like a spice rack, towel holder, and locking wheels make this cart a valuable addition to most kitchens. The Liberty Kitchen Cart is available in a white or black finish to suit dark or light kitchen cabinets. Overall, this kitchen cart is an extremely efficient use of space and is eye-catching as well. Paneled door kitchen cart with natural finish by Home Styles is an amazing kitchen cart that has everything you need to operate smoothly in the kitchen. It has a paneled door on its construction, which makes for a smart design because of its convenience. It is also made of sustainable wood that is sturdy enough to keep the cart together. This superb product also features a 2-door cabinet with an adjustable shelf, utility drawer, and a towel holder, which you might need when things in the kitchen get heated up. This kitchen cart also has a heavy-duty locking caster that provides you with easy mobility. Pros: great storage space, good quality materials, sturdy. Cons: poor customer service. Number 3, Winslow Wood Single Drawer Kitchen Cart. The Winslow Wood Kitchen Cart is our pick for the best kitchen cart. This cart offers all of the essential features that you're looking for in a kitchen cart, along with beechwood construction and classic design. This model of kitchen cart is made of solid beechwood and paneling, that results in a cart that users describe as solid and well-made. It features a cabinet inside with a slatted shelf, a utility drawer and towel bar. Overall, the cart is a versatile choice for kitchen use, a drink station at a party, or a coffee bar in your breakfast nook. The great thing about the Winslow Wood Kitchen Cart is its simple styling that blends in with many decor schemes, as well as its reasonable price point. Many happy reviewers of this cart repeat that the cart exceeded their expectations and has been a great addition to their kitchen. We predict that this timeless cart will be found in kitchens for many years to come. So if you're looking for a best overall kitchen cart to buy, pick the Winslow Wood Kitchen Cart. This quality-built kitchen cart has all of the familiar features for a go-anywhere culinary cart, including a hardwood surface, utility drawer, cabinet and 4 locking wheels. It also boasts a drop leaf that can be put in a position to extend the overall surface area of the cart or to serve as a breakfast bar or eating area. This is a great option if you need extra seating in the kitchen, or if you're just looking for a cart that offers a larger surface area to work on. It also is a great choice as a utility cart for crafts, thanks to its extendable top. Number 4. Nova Microdermabrasion Rolling Wood Kitchen Island Cart. This kitchen cart from Nova Microdermabrasion is a strong example of the benefits a kitchen cart can provide, even when you're only spending a modest amount of money. Made exclusively of solid pine, the lighter-weight frame is easy to handle and incorporates numerous valuable features, from an easy-to-clean wooden worktop to lockable safety wheels that swivel 360 degrees. The bottom of the kitchen cart features a 6-bottle wine rack. Above the rack, removable shelves on one side allow for storing items of different heights. Opposite, the removable wire baskets could hold fruits and vegetables, linen, or crockery. 2 wide drawers are ideal for cutlery or other kitchen utensils, and a stainless steel handle permits easy portability and a place to hang towels. This kitchen cart is a well-thought-out solution and terrific value for the money. For a durable and versatile kitchen cart, choose a model with a butcher block top, like this hardwood version from Catskill Craftsman. The Catskill Craftsman Kitchen Rollabout Cart features a sustainable hardwood top that users praise for being thick and solid. This is ideal for cooks who need an extra cutting surface or prep area. The cart also has a drawer and 2 shelves to store appliances, cookbooks, and more. This butcher block cart will hold about 100 pounds. Number 5. Folding Kitchen Cart on Wheels. Not everybody wants a kitchen cart that permanently takes up floor space, but they could still use the benefits of one from time to time. The solution? A folding kitchen cart that provides extra storage and workspace, but can be tucked away when not in use. The aptly named origami kitchen cart folds to just 5.8 inches wide when not in use, yet opens to provide a useful 25.5 inch by 20 inch surface, in an attractive, solid wood butcher block style. The sturdy, durable steel frame is resin-coated to resist rust and supports up to 300 pounds. This origami kitchen cart comes pre-assembled right out of the box, and the cart extends from a folded to an open position in just seconds. If you need some extra workspace at the grill, it's a logical addition to your deck when barbecuing as well. If space in your kitchen is at a premium, then take advantage of the folding design of the origami foldable kitchen island cart. This cart saves space by folding flat when not in use, which makes it perfect for apartment dwellers with small kitchens or if you want an additional workstation that can be easily stored. When you are using it, however, you'll be pleased with the smooth wood surface, durable steel frame and convenient towel bar. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.